Ever dreamed of building your own wooden dory? The smell of fresh cedar and the satisfaction of a perfect finish. Imagine taking a boat you built with your own two hands out onto a calm, misty lake at dawn. But for most, that dream ends in frustration. Confusing plans and expensive mistakes make the project feel impossible. Without a clear process, you're just wasting time and lumber on a project that might never float. That is where doryplan.com comes in. We have redesigned boat building for the modern DIY enthusiast. Our beginner-friendly system gives you the step-by-step guidance you need to succeed from the very first cut. We provide clear, easy-to-follow plans that eliminate all the guesswork from start to finish. Learn how to join frames, seal the hull, and assemble your dory using professional but simple techniques. Every measurement is exact, ensuring your parts fit together perfectly every single time. The transformation is incredible, from a stack of raw lumber to a majestic vessel on the open water. Feel the smooth grain under your hand and the immense pride of knowing this was built by you. It is more than just a boat. It is a testament to your hard work and craftsmanship. Ready to start your journey? Head over to doryplan.com today to browse our full collection of plans. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, we have the perfect plan for your skill level. Get your plans now at doryplan.com and build the boat of your dreams. Your next adventure starts here.